Dar. 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 D.
Attention.
D.
Attention. An
D.
has been reported in this building. Please and leave the building utilizing the nearest attention or fire exit stairway. Do not use elevators. Repeat, use elevators.
I have skibbity riz.
Attention.
You have been grounded.
Attention. Attention.
When you
need foundation repair, you want the job the first time.
Do not
commit arson. I know you did it. Don't lie to me. I will find you. Find you. Have you ever been obsessed with fire alarms?
Then you should call Sis Foundation Repair.
Make sure you make love to that elevator tonight.